Hello guys, welcome to V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. Ratul this side, today's host. In this video, we will learn how to install VS Code. VS Code or Visual Studio Code is a software or notepad which helps to write the coding or write the program and execute the program. Now let us see how to install this. To install this, open your browser,
Taskbar, new tab,
type VS Code,
Lessons Code, VS Code, Google search, heading,
go to the first search results,
main clickable web result, clickable visited link heading level 3 Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio Code.
You can also find the same on our official WhatsApp channel and video description below. So please do check out and don't forget to join us on WhatsApp. Now after coming to this page, create a linked list,
Elements list
and go to downloads page.
Docs 2 of download VS top level navigation landmark visited link Visual Studio.
Now here, press H,
Main landmark download Visual Studio
press
Code
down
heading,
arrow,
free and built on open link Windows download.
Windows download. Just press enter.
Documentation for Visual Studio. Save as dive.
Now it is asking me to save the file. If you are using the browser default setting, then it will be downloaded to your downloads folder. As I have already downloaded, so I will not do it again. So now I want to install this software. To install this software, hit enter on the setup file.
Window dialog. Dev tool setup Microsoft Visual Studio Code. User dialog license agreement. Please read the following important.
So press tab.
I do not accept the agreement.
Tab.
Cancel button.
Tab.
Please read the following license. I do not accept the agreement.
So
radio
this is
button.
radio
Checked
button.
Alt plus D.
Now I'm pressing up arrow.
I accept the agreement. Radio button. Checked Alt plus A.
So keep your focus here and press tab.
Next greater button Alt plus N.
Click next.
To continue, click next. If you would like to select a different folder, click browse. Edit selected C. Users rattle app data local programs Microsoft VS Code.
Now choose a different folder. Let me choose different folder.
Browse. Cancel button. OK. Preview. Local collab. Local roaming collab. App collab. Rattle. Cancel. Rattle it. Use collab. Windows local disk. Backups and software. App room collapsed. OK button. Setup. To continue,
See?
click next. If you would like to select a different folder, click browse. Edit selected E. App room Microsoft VS Code.
Okay, this is the folder where I want to install the VS Code. Let me press tab and click on next button.
Less back but next greater. To continue, click next. If you would like to select a different folder, click browse. Edit selected Visual Studio Code.
Okay, no, I don't want to change anything from here. So I'm pressing tab.
Don't create a start menu folder checkbox not checked.
So don't create a start menu folder. So if you want, you can create.
Less back button Alt. Don't create a start menu folder checkbox not checked. Alt plus D.
Okay, so I'm just
checked.
Checking this box.
Less back button Alt plus B. Next greater
Click
button
on
Alt
next.
plus select the additional tasks you would like set up to perform while installing Visual Studio Code. Then click next. Preview. Create and desktop icon checkbox not checked.
So I want desktop icon. So let me check this box checked.
Checked.
Press tab.
Add open with code action to Windows Explorer file context menu checkbox not checked.
If you do not check this box checked, then if you press application key, open with VS Code will not appear. So it is recommended to check this box checked.
Checked.
Press tab.
Add open with code action to Windows Explorer directory context
Again?
menu checkbox not checked.
So if you want, you can check this box checked.
Check. Add open with code action to Windows Explorer file. Add open with code action to Windows Explorer directory. Register code as an editor for supported file types checkbox checked.
Okay, this checkbox should be checked.
Add to path. Requires shell restart. Checkbox checked.
So add to path requires shell. It should be checked. If you are doing Python or any other programming languages, that will be required. Why it is required, I'm not going to tell in detail. But for now, you should check this box checked.
Less back button. Next greater button Alt plus N.
So press enter.
Install.
It is ready to install. Now click on install or press Alt plus I to install.
Next greater. cancel button 1%, 11%, 21%, 31%, 42%, 53%, 65%, 75%, 85%, 96%. Setup Microsoft Visual Studio Code. User dialog installing. Please wait while setup installs Visual Studio Code on your computer. Setup has finished installing Visual Studio. Launch Visual Studio Code checkbox focused selected checked.
No, I don't want to launch the Visual Studio Code right now.
Not checked.
So I'm not checking.
Finish button Alt plus.
Click on Finish button.
Red Dev Tool.
So this is how you can easily install the VS Code. That's it guys. If you find the content useful, do like and share the video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Let me know your thoughts into the comment section. You can also support us by giving thanks. The thanks button is showing below of the video. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon. Till then, bye bye.